Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Defender 90 D300 X. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Hercuba Silver. Starting our journey from the front of this vehicle, where you will see your matrix LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading along the sides, you'll see further features, all a courtesy of the black exterior pack, as it sits with the utmost pride on a set of 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels. You'll also see the perfect contrast of your red brake calipers. To the rear, you'll notice your rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the sleek look of your darkened tail lights. Opening the side hinge tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. To your left, you'll see easy to access controls for electronic air suspension, ensuring easy loading in and out of this vehicle. To the right, you'll find your 3-point plug socket as well for added convenience. Rear passengers are certainly going to enjoy their ebony Windsor leather seats. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveals your 14-way heated and cooled electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last, whether it be on or off-road. Taking a closer look now at your leather-heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design and a wide array of features at your disposal. Looking over, you'll also see your 11.4-inch PV Pro touchscreen, which is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and provides great specific in-depth detail about your vehicle. And to finalise our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which is going to engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Defender 90, which we now have available here at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to help you find your next Land Rover.